osmotic pressure. This is the one of the colligative property. In my previous videos already discussed remaining colligative properties. You may can search it. Now what is the osmotic pressure? Here you can see the definition. The hydrostatic pressure developed the solution which stop the osmosis is called osmotic pressure, or applied external pressure on the solution or concentration solution which just stop the osmosis is called osmotic pressure. We can write this is through small diagram. So this is a solvent, pure solvent. Assume that this can act as plasma or semi-permeable membrane cell. It can allow only solvent molecules. So inside is solution is there. Inside is the solution. So you know that one osmosis means our SPM can allow that one only solvent molecules. The solvent molecules can move here. Starting rate of solvent molecules which is moving towards the solution is more, sir. Rate of osmosis is more indirectly. At the slowly rate of osmosis decreases whenever water molecules enter into the solution, means that height of the solution going to be increases. Some height increases. Okay, this H. Due to this height, some pressure is developed in the solution. That's we call hydrostatic pressure. That is pi equal to H rho G. This is we call osmotic pressure indirectly. This is the first definition. Some hydrostatic pressure developed in the solution due to this height. They may can exist at equilibrium. That's why there is no net osmosis. Clear? Or you may can see here some external pressure going to be applied. You may can see in terms of P external, which is stop the osmosis. If you apply some external pressure more, just stop the osmosis. That's we call osmotic pressure. So just the pressure which is required to stop osmosis process is called osmotic pressure. This is simple definition, sir. The amount of pressure required to stop the osmosis is called osmotic pressure. That's a simple definition. So you may can see here, if more the concentration of the solution here, more the height is going to be happen here. More the solvent can enter, then height of the solution may be increases. So by using this is 1 of we derive that one osmotic pressure equation. Here we are going to be use 1 of Boyle's law and 1 of Charles law, like that. Okay. So all these things is there. We are going to use these terms. You can check it. This is osmotic pressure. Symbol I am taking pi, directly proportional to C. If more the concentration, more the osmosis can occur, then height of the solution going to be increases. If more the concentration means more water enter into the solution, this height is going to be increases, sir. More height you will get. So C nothing but N by V. Same. Pi directly proportional to temperature. This 1 of Charles law. So Charles law you can say. This 1 of Boyle's law. By using this relation, I can get pi directly proportional to Ct. I can remove this proportionality. You may can write R C T. Clear? So that R equal to universal gas constant. R value you need to take only in terms of 0.0821 liter atmosphere, Kelvin inverse, mole inverse. Or you may can take R value 0.083 liter bar, Kelvin inverse, mole inverse. You should not take other values. That should be in terms of liter or ml, because these are liquids I am taking here. You need to maintain only these two R values. Don't take other R values. You won't get answer. So I think so you can know, you know that one. With respect to 1 of factor, you need to write ICRT. I can write, sir. This is the pi. This is the final formula of osmotic pressure which we are using for problem solving. So still we may can do different forms of osmotic pressure. Pi equal to I into C means I can write N by V into RT. then pi equal to, make and write I into n nothing but WB by MB into RT by V liters. So this is the most of the cases we are going to be using formula for problem solving. Please keep in mind. And after that, I make and write pi equal to I into WB by V liters into RT by MB. MB is the solute, sir. You make and write B is the solute. So if A is, I am taking here solvent. Solvent is water here. So W by V liters, nothing but the strength of solution. So pi equal to, make and write pi equal to I into strength of solution into RT by molecular weight of the solute. Make and write, sir. This is in terms of strength of solution. Otherwise, you know that one, simply molarity equal to strength of solution by molecular weight. You can substitute nothing but C equal to here molarity. You can substitute directly, you can get. Once you got pi equal to I into, in place of strength of solution, I can write W by V percent into 10 into RT by molecular weight of solute. And we can write pi equal to I into W by W percent into 10 into density into RT by molecular weight. So you can use any formula for solving, sir, osmotic pressure solving. Any formula you can use. Then I'm taking here two different cases of osmotic pressure. Case 1. So I'm mixing here same natured solutions, okay? Or otherwise, this is the initially pi 1 is osmotic pressure, volume is V1. I'm adding here same nature, same solution, you make an assume pi 2 and V2 volume solution, resulting osmotic pressure equal to, I can write pi 1 V1 plus pi 2 V2 by V1 plus V2. This is like M resulting solution, MR equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by V1 plus V2. That is the way we derive this one. So you may can take other case also. So two different nature solutions we are adding. Different nature means they may have I value is different and different moles I am taking. N1 also different, okay? And I'm mixing here, maybe volume also different, sir. I'm taking all different cases. Now this is the solution, already they contain I2, N2, volume is 2. Then resulting osmotic pressure equal to, first case is pi 1 plus second case is pi 2. And substitute here, we can get pi nothing but I C R T by V. But we are mixing here two solutions, means net volume become V1 plus V2. V total or V final become V1 plus V2. Okay, that's why I'm going to take here V1 plus V2. This is pi 1 means I can take I1 C1. That C also I'm going to write in terms of number of moles. Is it clear? So I make and write here indirectly I1, number of moles is N1, by volume is total volume V1 plus V2 into RT. This is pi value. This is pi 1 plus pi 2 also I can write I2 N2 by V1 plus V2 is common for total volume into RT. You make and take common here, then write final formula I1 N1 plus I2 N2 by V1 plus V2 into RT. This is the pi final osmotic pressure. Clear? So we have another case, isotonic, hypertonic. The terms also I hope you know that one I'm expecting, but still isotonic, most of the questions you have that one based on isotonic. That's the only term I'm going to be explaining here. If any two solutions, they are telling these are the two solutions. This is 1 and 2. If both are isotonic means osmotic pressure 1 equal to osmotic pressure 2. So osmotic pressure means one means I1 C1 RT equal to I2 C2 RT. So RT we make and cancel, but I1 into C1 means NB by, you make and trace, this is N1. You can take N1 by V1 equal to I2 into N2 by V2. This RT will be cancelled. So you make and write here I1 into N nothing but WB by MB, means W1 by M1 equal to I2 into W2 by M2. So this is the most of the time we are using formula they are solving. This is the isotonic. The case which we are using, this is for isotonic, sir. Please note down, this is isotonic. Next, hypertonic, hypotonic, you know that one. Suppose pi 1 is greater than pi 2. So with respect to pi 1 is hypertonic. Or pi 1 is less than pi 2. So this is hypotonic. This should be hypertonic. One is hypertonic, other one should be automatically hypotonic. So this is the theory. You may can find numerical problems, number of numerical problems. So calculate the osmotic pressure of M by 20 urea solution at 27 degrees centigrade. How to use this basic formula you can see. So pi equal to I into C RT is the basic formula. I is for 1 for urea. Already mentioned Van't factor. You may can see my previous videos. 1. C is they provided. So M by 20 you can take, sir. M by 20. M means molarity, nothing but C only. 1 by 20 into R value I am taking 0.0821. Temperature should be always in Kelvin. That should be 27 plus 273. You will get 300 Kelvin. So use this is 300 Kelvin. By solving this you will get your answer, sir. So approximately how much will you get to make and write? 1.238. This is osmotic pressure. Next videos will discuss relationship between delta TB and osmotic pressure, delta TF and osmotic pressure, RLVP and osmotic pressure. We'll discuss all these things, interrelationships. Thank you very much. Please share and subscribe it.